So after you line up the numbers, you could begin operating the multiplication. For example, 26 times 12. Begin with multiplying the bottom factors ones place with the top factor ones place. So what does this mean? The ones are multiplied to the tops. So the ones here multiplied with this tens. So 2 are multiplied.
Is the answer 312?
Yes. Okay.
Oh.
Okay, let me carry on first. So there's
Use a pen and paper.
2,
I can write here.
1, 4, and 5. So this is the first one. And the second one's 26 times 1. So the result is, yes, you are correct.
Yeah, I got the answer. It's 312.
Okay, so I got exercise from your mom. So we could just work it out together.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So the first problem, the B, 21 times 13. Do you want to answer it or we could?
Yeah, sure. I can answer.
Yes. Try.
I'm just gonna get some paper.
Say it when you're ready.
I'm just solving it.
Excuse me. So this is the first one.
Yeah.
Okay. Take your time.
$273.
273. Okay, we'll see. So 21 times 13. The first step, multiply the first one with the tens. So you got 3 in the back and 6. Okay, and then multiply the second ones with the 10. I'm sorry, multiply the tens with the tens in above. So you get 1 and 2, 21. So the answer is 273. Yes, that's correct.
Yeah, I got that.
Okay. Okay, carry on to D. 17 times 39. Any difficulties?
Yeah. I mean, like, I'm trying.
Okay. Tell me when you're ready.
Okay. I'm gonna do D. 663.
Okay, let's check it together. 663. So 17 times 39. Okay. First, you multiply the 9s with 17. The first is 7 times 9. What you get? 63. Alright. 63. Keep it keep it beside, and then the ones times 9. Plus it
Yeah.
with 9, you get 15. Okay. The second is the tens, that is the 3 times 17. The first, you multiply the 3 with 7, you got 21. The 2, keep it beside, and you multiply 1 with 3, plus the 2.
Yeah, I
Okay.
got that.
5.
And then I put 5 there, then add it, and I got
Yeah.
3, 6.
Yeah, smart kid.
And
Okay.
then number F, letter F,
Hmm.
is 888.
800.
F is 888.
37. 37 times 24 is 888. Okay, well, check it out. 37 times 24. 7 times 4, you got 28. 3 times 4, you got 14. 7 times 2, you got 4. Give it the 1 beside. And 3 times 2, you got 7 plus 1. 888. Okay. F. Okay, carry on to down row. Down. 28 times 31. Do you get it already?
Yeah.
What is the answer?
Um, wait a minute. I'm just gonna be back. I just have to go somewhere. Wait.
Okay. Take your time. Tell me when you're ready.
I'm back,
Okay.
and I have to just finish my last pencil here.
Okay. What's your answer?
It's 8,
Hmm.
6,
Hmm.
8.
Okay. Check it out. 868. Okay, you got 28 and 31 times. Okay, the first one times 28, so you got 28, and the tens times 28. So that is x times 3, you got 4, 24, yeah. Keep it the 2 beside, and 2 times 3 plus 2, 2 times 3, 6, and plus 2, you got 8. So it is 868. Okay, that is correct. So we'll carry on to B. What is the number? 53 times 45. Okay. Do you got the answer already?
Not yet.
Okay. Got the answer, brother?
Almost done.
Okay, okay. Just asking.
Mhm.
what's your answer? Any difficulties?
Hello?
Hello, hi. Got your answer already?
Yeah, I've done it already. Can you see?
Okay, what's your answer then?
There, I wrote it.
Oh, 285.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll check it together. So the first is the ones in here, the 5 times 53. So you got 3 times 5 is 15. So keep it the one behind, or beside, I'm sorry. 5 times 5 is 25, plus 1, you got 265. So then the tens, you got 4 times 53. 4 times 3, you got 12. To write it here, keep the one beside. And 5 times 4, you got 20 plus 1. So you got 21. So the answer is 2385. Okay.
I got, yeah. I wait, wait, wait. Two. Forgot my three. Okay, here.
Okay. Any difficulties?
What?
Any difficulties? Or you understand it?
Mm, I understand.
Okay. Okay, down to the next number. See, 59 times 60. Oh, the clock already start, brother. Give me your answer when you're ready.
Um, sure.
Okay, that's your answer.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll check it out together. Okay, give me a sec. Okay, so the one is rather 0. So you multiply any number with 0, you got 0. And then the second 0 is here. Nah, and move on, you multiply 59 with 6. First is you multiply 9 with 6, you got 54. Keep the 5 beside, and you multiply 5 with 6, you got 30. Plus 5,
354.
yes, you got 3,540. Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I got. Yeah.
Okay, that's,
Over here.
yeah, I see it. So that's the multiplication of two digits number. We could move to the three digits. Wait, give me a sec. Do you want to me explain first, or let's straight?
Explain first.
Okay, so the first is you got 118 times 23 is the exact same as the two digit multiply. You just multiply one by one. So the first is 118 times 23. First you multiply 8 with 3, you got 24. And you multiply it 1 with 3, you got 5. And you multiply it 1 again with 3, so you got 354 from the first ones. And the second, you multiply the tens with the hundreds. So you multiply 2 with 8, you got 16. Keep the 1 beside, and you multiply 1 with 2, add the 1 beside, you got 3. And you multiply the 1 with 2. Yeah. So you got 4, 1, 7, 2,714. Am I clear enough?
Not really.
Okay. Any question?
No.
Is that yes or no? Okay. If there are any question, you could straight head on to the second. Tell me when you're ready. Got your answer?
Not yet.
Okay. What's the answers? So I see 18, 18,659. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Okay, see we'll see the answer together. So the first is multiply the ones with the hundreds. So you got 1 times 9, you got 9. 4 times 1, you got 4. And 2 times 1, you got 2. So it's the exact 100, 249, because anything that multiplied with 1 is the number itself. Okay, so
Yeah. That's what I got.
okay, so carry on. The
Yeah.
tenth time it's not quite yet over. So the 9 times with the 100, you got 9 times 9, you got 81. 1 in here. Keep the 8 beside. You
Yeah.
you multiply 4 with 9, you got 36. Multiply plus it with 8, you got 4, 44. Yeah, 4 in here.
Yeah.
Yeah, 4 in here. Keep the another 4 in beside, and you multiply the 2 with the 9s. You got 18. Add it with the 4 in the side, you got 22. So 22. So the answer is 956. 22,659. Your answer is 18,659. Yeah. It's quite close.
Yeah.
But I mean, is your method is correct, but you must be careful. It's rather
Okay.
big number. Okay, so carry on with the C. 329 times 18. Okay, I'll give you time.
It's from the climaxes.
Get the answer?
I'm just adding them up.
Okay, take your time.
Okay, I got my answer.
Okay. Who write it out? So, what's your answer?
4,000.
Hmm?
Two. I'm just gonna write it down.
1,000. Okay. Okay. I saw a 4,
Um,
2, 3, and 7. Is that correct?
no.
Not 7.
Should be
Okay, so we'll check your answer together. So 329 times 18 is the same as before. You multiply the ones with the hundreds and the tens with the hundreds. So the first is you multiply the 8 with 329. First you got 8 times 9, you got 72. Keep the 7 beside, and then 2 times 8, you got 16. Add it with the 7 beside, you got 3, 2, 23. Yes? Put the 3 in here, and then put the 2 beside. And the next is 3 times 8, you got 24.
Yeah.
Okay, 24. Add it with the 2 beside, you got 26. So you got 2000.
Oh.
Okay, that's the first.
Oh.
2000 and
I got
it's not cut over yet. So you multiply the ones with the 100, you got 329. Add it up to 3 plus 9 is 12. Keep the 1 for the front, you got 7 and 9. 7 and 2, you got 9. 3 plus 2, you got 5. 5,922. Okay, maybe you're a little bit confused with the adding part.
Yeah.
Yeah, I get it. It's quite difficult. It's big number. So then again, take your time. Be careful. And carry on to D. You got 167 times 17. Okay, the time starts now. Tell me when you're ready. Got your answer?
Not yet.
Okay. Take your time.
Hello?
Hi. What's your answer?
I wrote it.
Where is it?
Over there.
Oh, yeah, I see it. Here is it. 3,629. So we'll check it out. 167 times 17. So the first is, then again multiply the ones with the 100. You got 7 times 7, you got 49. Keep the 4 beside. 6 times 7, you got 42. Plus add the 4 beside, you got 46. Keep the 4 beside. And add the 7 with the 4, you got 11. So from the ones you got 1,169.
Yeah.
Move the 100 down, because the 1 times 100 you got the number itself.
Yeah, I got that. I got that.
Okay. 3 7 7 8 2 2,939. Yeah, it's not quite far off. I mean, you got the two no numbers behind correct. Yeah,
Oh, no.
you must work on the multiplication then. Oh, sorry, the adding part.
Can you
Maybe.
explain it again?
Okay. So 167 times 17. Yeah. It's the same as before. You multiply the ones with the 100 one by one from the behind. Okay, so the first is you multiply the 7 with the 7, you got 49. Keep the 9 behind and the 4 beside. And then multiply the 6 with the 7, you got 42. Add it with the 4, you got 46. Keep the 6 and put the 4 beside. And then multiply the 1 with the 7, you got 7, the number itself, times the 4, you got 11. So you got 1169 from the 7 times the 100. And then the tens multiplied with the 100, you got the number itself, 167. Add it up, you got
The
9.
number itself.
What?
How? 167.
Because you could see it's 1, yeah. So any number times with 1, you got the number itself. So every time you times any number, you got number itself. So if you got 167 times 1, you got 167. You put the 7 in the tens in the 6th row here, and then add it up. 9, 6 plus 7, you got 13. Put the 1 up front, you got 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 6 is 8. And 1 plus 1 is 2. So you got 2,839. Okay? Any difficulties or
Very hard.
confusion? But it's not that quite hard. You just exercise it every day. Yeah, you got different type of exercise in here. So I just want to ask you to be careful, that's all. Yeah, I mean, I quite understand it. It's pretty difficult. Yeah. So that's okay, that's okay. Okay, so I think